Hi there, it's Conan here. I'm the new Managing Director at Avison. Just wanted to do a quick video to introduce myself. Recently joined the team. My background is running an exterior cleaning company since 2011. We specialise in cleaning roofs, buildings, brickwork, stonework, etc. We've also got a couple of cherry pickers that we hire out with the IPAF operators. And now I've come on board as the MD with Avison and working together with Josh to provide a better solution overall for our clients, both LBC's clients and Avison's clients. By the two companies joining, we now are able to offer a much better service in terms of access, with the rope access being a nice combination and the mutes. And we hope that we can provide you with a great overall service for all your cleaning, maintenance and bird control at height. If you've got anything coming up that you'd like a free quote on, or even if you'd like a chat, then please reach out. Thank you.